பெரிவா சரணம். தெய்வத்தின் குரல் புக் 1. ராமாயணத்தில் ஒரு ரகசியம். One secret within Sri Ramayana. I said that in principle there is no difference between Ambal and Vishnu. Now I will tell you a story which you may not have heard. Ramayanam is known to you all, but I will tell you this known story in an unknown way. Other than the Ramayanam as written by Valmiki, Kambar and Tulsidas, there are other versions also, such as Ananda Ramayanam, Adbhuta Ramayanam, Durvasa Ramayanam and some more. In one of them is found this variation that I am going to tell you about. The story goes that Ambal took birth as Rama and Ishvara accompanied the avatara as Sita. Sri Rama is dark green in color, called Maragata Mani Varnan. Kalidasa addresses Ambal as Mata Maragata Shyama. Muthuswami Dikshitar also sings about goddess Meenakshi as Maragata Chaye. Beyond Srishti, Sthiti and Samhara, when she is in her causal form, she is reddish. As Parvati, she is green. It is this color with which she became Ramachandramurti and Parameshwara became Sita. In olden times, marriages used to be held at a very young age, so that the children may not get too bored of the rituals of homam and chanting of elaborate mantras. Just to humor them, a lot of symbolic plays used to be conducted as part of the function, such as Vilayadal, Unjal, Nalangu, Urvalam, and so on. During Urvalam, that is, going around the town in a procession, the boy used to be dressed in the girl's clothes and the girl in the boy's clothes. In the same way, when they came with the mission of eradicating the threat of Rakshasas in the world, Ambal dressed up as Rama and Parameshwara took on the form of Sita for their Urvalam around the world. Nobody knew about this. In fullness of time, Rama and Sita too had forgotten this, as though. But in intense moments of life, what is hidden in the substrata of consciousness bursts out on its own, is it not? There is such a scene in the Ramayana. Sri Rama decides to leave Sita in Ayodhya while going to the forest for 14 years. At that time, Sita Devi loses her temper. She gets extremely annoyed. What sort of man is he? Just because of the fear of Rakshasas and wild animals, Rama is leaving me here. In that state of mind, she blurts out a truth. It is sad that my father Janaka, who selected you as the groom, did not know that you are a woman in a man's get-up. Clearly, references to the fact that Janaka, who selected Rama as the groom, did not know that Rama was in fact a woman for this Jagat Urvalam. Striyam Purusha Vigraham. This is a verbatim quote from the Valmiki Ramayanam. Sita thus reminded Sri Rama that he is Ambal in fact. As a result, Rama was reminded in a subtle way of the true Avatara Rahasya, of the need to get rid of the Rakshasas and Ravana in Dandakaranya, and that purpose will remain unfulfilled if Sita did not accompany Rama to the forest. For that is when she would be abducted and Ravana would then be destroyed. Reminded of the purpose of Avatara, Sri Rama complied immediately and let Sita accompany him to the forest. The Ravana who was to be sorted out by Rama was a great Shiva devotee. His desire was to bring Shiva to Ashokvana and do puja there. For that purpose only he tried to lift Kailasa Parvatam. When the mountain moved slightly, Ambal in fear embraced Shiva and he pressed the mountain down by the toe of his feet, trapping Ravana underneath. Ravana extricated himself with great difficulty and ran away to Lanka. As Ravana was a Shiva Bhakta, he knew that Shiva had assumed the form of Sita. Earlier, it was Ambal's interference that came in the way of his efforts to bring Shiva to Sri Lanka. Now, he did not want Ambal in the form of Rama coming in the way. So, he got Rama removed from the scene, by using Maricha as the golden deer and took away Sita to Ashokvana. As I said earlier, this love for either Shiva or Ambal, to the exclusion of the other, of what is inseparable, always leads to imbalance. If we examine the name Samba Shiva, it is Sa plus Amba plus Shiva, that is Shiva with Ambal. But when the inseparable is separated, there is imbalance. Pure love becomes Kamam. Still, because of Ravana's devotion to Shiva, Avatara Rahasya, or the secret of incarnation, was apparent to him in patches, via glimpses. That is why one looked at Anjaneya and he asked, "Who is this? Is he Bhagavan Nandi? Kimesha Bhagavan Nandi?" This is again a verbatim quote from Valmiki Ramayanam. So just one look at Hanuman, who was such a close confidant, servant of Sita and Rama, reminded Ravana of another servant of similar status, Nandi, the confidant servant of Shiva and Parvati. I'm telling you all these stories to bring home the point that Ambal and Narayana are one. Let both be one. But Narayana as a male and Ambal as a female are also individually, separately great too. Then our mind says, let them be one and let them be different too. The best arrangement seems to be to have Narayana and Ambal as brother and sister, for which there is a lot of corroborative evidence in the Puranas. Periva Sharanam.